Dear students, today we are going to talk about text editor in Unix. So there are various text editors are available in Unix operating system. Mainly we will be focusing on VI editor. Before VI editor there was EX and ED. They were the editors, but they were line editors. In that you have to specify the line numbers also while editing the text. So VI editor was developed by Mr. Bill Joy when he was studying in University of California. So we'll talk about VI editor. VI editor is basically having two modes, that is command mode and insert mode. VI editor is the most popular mode editor available in the Unix operating system. And when we start, how to start editing in the VI editor? So for that you just have to type in the command prompt VI in the terminal, VI, then file name, and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you will see a window, file name, so once we hit the enter, we'll get the terminal in this way, where we'll be having a cursor, it would be blinking, and rest of the lines would be denoted by tilde. Tilde means these lines are not used yet. So if we wanted to write anything on an editor, what we'll do, first we have to change from command mode to insert mode. Once you create a file, it is by default in a command mode. Now you wanted to change into the insert mode. For that you have to press I, a small I, in the keyboard. Once you press here, now you can start writing the text. Let's say hello students. This text I have written it. If we want to terminate this line, we just have to press enter. We'll move on to the second line. And so on and so forth. So once you written, let's say writing work is done, or you have made some error, you wanted to change or you wanted to delete a word, how to delete it? For that again you have to switch from insert mode to command mode. For that you have to press ESC key. Once you press that, you are now in a command mode. If you press multiple times ESC, it won't give you any message in the screen. Instead of that, it will make a sound so that you will understand in which mode you are. So once we come into this command mode, if I wanted to delete a character, so for that we'll use X. If we press X, then it will delete the last character. The last character is deleted with the command X, because whenever you are in command mode, every key press is a command. Now I have deleted this. If we wanted to delete, let's say 7 words or 7 characters, so what you can give, 7X. Once you do this, the whole word of 7 characters would be erased. And again, going for insert mode, click on I and start writing the replacement keys, replacement text. Once we are done, what we'll do, if we wanted to save the content of this file, we'll press escape button and then we'll mark as colon, then we'll say command WQ, that is write and quit. Okay students, thank you.